Hey, it's former Navy SEAL Cade Courtley for 4 Patriots, and in honor of National Preparedness Month, today I want to do a little unboxing for you. Now I've ordered the 4 Patriots Gold Medallion All Meat Kit, which is perfect if you want to put a little more muscle in your survival food supply. This kit is really a perfect option for your stockpile because it's packed full of protein. And when it comes to survival food, you really want it to fill you up and satisfy you, which is exactly what you're looking for if things get dicey. And meat is one of the first things that runs out in a crisis. Okay, let's pop this box open and see what we have in here. Now inside we have 2 boxes, one for chicken and one for beef. Let's get inside one of these and take a closer look. All right, inside each box are 4 specially packaged pouches. They're the key to the up to 25 years shelf life. Your beef and chicken is protected by Mylar, which keeps the freshness in and the air and moisture out. Each pouch has 17 servings, so altogether you're looking at 136 total servings of meat. And as we'll see in a bit, each serving is about the size of the palm of your hand. So this kit packs a lot of meat in a small package. Both the chicken and beef are fully cooked. We just need to rehydrate it to use it. You can eat it by itself or add it to chili, stir fries, soups, stews, casseroles. Let's find out how easy it is to make. I'm gonna make a serving of each just to get a taste. Now I've got my 2 bowls here. I'm going to add just 1/8 of a cup of water to each one, and room temperature is just fine. Now, a 1/4 cup of the chicken over here and a 1/4 cup of the beef in this bowl. Okay, as they say, the waiting is the hardest part, but it's just 15 to 20 minutes and we're looking at a nice healthy snack or protein punch for any meal. Now, it's been 20 minutes. Let's give these a quick stir. Ready to go. I'm gonna give this a quick taste. It sure doesn't taste like survival food. And take it from me, I've had more than enough emeries to last me a lifetime, and I only wish they tasted like this. Once your meat is fully rehydrated, it's ready to use. You can add some to mac and cheese for a beefy mac bowl. Take your chicken, it's fully diced, and have a stir fry in just a few minutes with rice and veggies. Now don't let anyone tell you that survival food has to be bland or boring. With the 4 Patriots Gold Medallion All Meat Kit, you can have satisfying meals with meat anytime, anywhere. For more information on this kit, just click on the link below and make sure you stock up on the food you need to get you through any crisis. Now be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one so you can be a survivor, not a statistic.